Are you a business that's looking to develop yourself in marketing space, to have better pace, to understand where you're going, what are the right things to do from marketing perspective, the right marketing channels and the things to do with them? Then this video is right for you, because today we will talk about go-to-market strategy. I hope you will find it really useful for yourself. The main purpose of this video is to understand what is a go-to-market strategy framework, how it all works, what are the core parts of GTM that you need to collect to make it useful, to work for you and deliver the results. So let's go ahead, guys. And the first thing first, what is a go-to-market strategy? Well, since our channel calls Growth Kitchen, I would do a little compare to the recipe, GTM as a recipe. So how it all works. Imagine that, for example, when you would like to cook a dish for yourself, you need a recipe that contains ingredients and step-by-step plan, how you need to move. The same thing with GTM. It gives you the exact ingredients to success for your business in marketing field, and of course the exact step-by-step plan on how you need to execute these marketing activities for yourself. I hope I explained it clearly. By the way, if you would have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I would be happy to discuss them with you. So why GTM is crucial for your business? Well, here are 4 bullet points that I collected. So let's start from the first one, market understanding and alignment. It's really important to understand, are you relevant to current market? Are people looking for the solution that you're providing? Is there any competitors that you're going to compete with? So it's the crucial part, because through this step, you would understand should you move forward, or maybe your offer is not really relevant right now, or you already have a huge competition and it would be hard for you to move, The second thing is efficient resource allocation. With go-to-market strategy, you would understand what are the exact things you can do which would deliver the results for you. A lot of business owners tries to do everything at the same time. At the end, they receive nothing. So better to concentrate on some specific fields, with marketing channels, with specific activities that would bring you the results, not try everything that your competitors are doing. The third thing is the clear roadmap and goals. So as you know, really important thing in every field, I think, is the consistency. And with clear roadmap and goals, you would have it. You would be more confident on what are you doing, what are the exact strategies you're applying, and of course, you would not just do random things. You would have the exact things that you're always testing, and testing different hypotheses for yourself. So the only part for you is to analyze, optimize, and scale. And one more thing, the last one that we have is a competitive advantage. By creating a GTM research, you would have the clear understanding why you're better than your competitors. You would understand how to differentiate yourself. What is your unique selling point that you need to deliver to your target audience? And it would be not useful only for you, but also for other team members who works in advertisement, in content creation. They would understand what is your messaging to your audience. So this is the crucial aspect. So as you see, the GTM shows really powerful things for your business. But right now it's time to create it. So let's figure out what are the key components, key ingredients that you need to collect together to make a perfect GTM. So the first thing is the market research. You need to understand the market landscape, including customers' needs and market trends. It's really important to check, are you relevant? What are the trends on the market? Are everyone working with TikTok? Are everyone working with video content or articles or LinkedIn, etc., etc.? You need to understand who are you going to sell, where they are, what are they looking for. and then realize, are you relevant to them, or you need to maybe upgrade or fix your product somehow. The next thing is the ideal customer profile. A really important part, because by defining your customer, you would have much better understanding of where you need to move with your marketing efforts. Whether it's small business, medium business, enterprise, B2B, B2C, is it like the young generation or older? Thanks to this information, you would understand, are you working with relevant marketing channels? Is your messaging is right for this specific type of audience? And in the end, you would have better understanding. Are these people understand what I'm talking about and understand my solution for their pains? So this is really important, guys. The third thing is the value proposition. For you, it's really important to collect different messages that would resonate with your ideal customer profile. You need to touch their heart, and create some of the emotions in their head or heart, whatever it is, to let them buy from you, to understand that you are the best option for their pain. So if you guys would like to see how I'm doing all these things, I think if you just collect just 10 likes, I would definitely do the video about this, because it's really important. Since value proposition could include, for example, how I'm doing this. I'm including different scenarios, different ways how I should explain to my customer my product. Regarding the scenarios, for example, I'm creating the table with scenario before and after. Before my product, customer felt this pain, he was really bored or something. After my solution, he feels great, now he has more time, etc., etc. Trust me, it helps a lot in advertisement, as I told, in article creation, because you would know the exact things, the exact ways how you need to promote your product. Let's go ahead, and the next thing is the competitive analysis. The same thing, guys. If I would see interest from you, I would be happy to produce more materials for you, because again, competitive analysis is also the crucial thing that I'm doing for every business. Why? Before working with any business, I think the easiest thing that you can do is just do the competitive analysis. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to a competitor's website, checking their SEO, checking their social medias, all of the activities that they're doing. And after that, I could come to my customer and say, look, this guy is doing this, this, and this, and they have success with these things. We could do them better. Why not to do them? I don't know. Most of the customers just don't doing these things. They are not checking their competitors. And if they do, sometimes they have huge mistakes because they're not taking care of their resources, like human resources or financial resources. And it could be the problem. But still, trust me, the competitive analysis is really important. And the last thing, guys, is the marketing and sales strategy. So outlining the channels and tactics that you would like to implement for your business. In the end, with GTM, you would have clear vision, insights, understanding of the market, ideal customer profile, competitors, and then you could create the clear navigation map for your business. What does it mean? You would have the pure vision of what are the exact marketing channels that you are working with, the exact step-by-step plans for them, the content strategy, the right keywords, the right messaging, all the tactics, that you need for your success. It's really important, guys, first of all, to prepare your place that you're going to work with, whether it's social media, like LinkedIn, you need to create nice description, etc. But I hope you understand this. So that's it. Regarding the key components, that's it. This is like the main ingredients for perfect GTM, guys. Nothing more than enough. Of course, you could expand this list, or you could make deep analysis with competitive analysis, competitive research, value proposition, etc. But still, this is the key points. nothing more, nothing less, and that's it. Now let's go to the step-by-step plan how you need to implement this go-to-market strategy. So the first thing is the roadmap creation. So as we told, we need to develop a step-by-step plan, for executing our GTM strategy that we are doing at the end with marketing and sales strategy. So what does it mean? As I told, you're just creating the marketing channels, putting the priorities. You understand what could bring you the best results as soon as possible, and you just starting doing all of these things. The second thing is the budget and resources, allocating financial and human resources effectively to support the GTM plan. So while you're creating the roadmap, you need to understand what are you ready to make with a good quality. It doesn't mean that you need to create a huge list of marketing activities that you would do at the same time. It would be wrong, trust me. Try one channel, try specific activities, find out what works the best for your business, and then move to the next one. Or even better, try to scale them. Why not? The third thing is the execution, implementing the GTM strategy according to the roadmap. You're starting doing these activities, and really important, prepare your places that you are going to work first and organize the process how you would do different iterations. Because in marketing, it's really important to do the tests, test your hypothesis and find out what works the best for you. And the last thing is the measurement and adjustment. So as I told, when you have a good process where you could measure your success, collect the numbers, then you have a great opportunity to do right optimizings. You could rely on the numbers, rely on the data, and thanks to this information, you would have much more insights to implement for your activities. And guys, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will find it really useful for yourself. And as I told, if I collect likes, views, if I see the interest, I would be more than happy to create more materials for you. For example, explain how I do competitive analysis, what are the exact tools I'm using, how to work with different marketing channels, SEO, social media. Trust me, I forgot to tell who I am, but who cares? Who cares, guys? You could find me on LinkedIn. I leave the link on the description so you could check. And of course, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to this channel, write your comments. I would be happy to discuss with you guys different questions. And of course, even if you have some negative thoughts on this video, please feel free also to message, because I would like to become better in this thing. And guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.